Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Shahid and today I am going to introduce you to one of the most commonly used AWS services, Amazon S3. If you have ever saved files to Google Drive or Dropbox, you are already familiar with cloud storage. AWS S3 works in a similar way but is designed for developers, businesses, and cloud applications. Let's get it started. What is Amazon S3? Amazon S3 or Simple Storage Service is a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to store and retrieve data from anywhere on the internet. It is scalable, secure, and highly durable. You can think of S3 as an online folder where you can upload files like images, videos, documents, and even entire websites. Some key features: object storage stores data as objects instead of traditional files. Unlimited storage, no limit on how much data you can store. Secure and reliable. AWS ensures data security and high availability. Let's take an example. Imagine you are building a website that allows users to upload profile pictures. Instead of saving those pictures on your local computer, you can use Amazon S3 to store them securely and access them from anywhere. Amazon S3 organize data using buckets and objects. Think of a bucket like a folder and an object like a file inside the folder. Bucket, bucket a container for storing files. Each AWS account can have multiple buckets. Object a file inside the bucket like an image, video, or document. Key a unique identifier for each object. Permissions: you can set access controls to make files private or public. For example, if you run an online store, you can store the product images in an S3 bucket and allow customers to view them without downloading anything. Developers can also set permissions so that only authorized users can upload or access data. Why learn Amazon S3? Amazon S3 is a great starting point for learning cloud storage. It's widely used in web development, data science, and even AI projects. If you are new to AWS, I highly recommend experimenting with S3. It's easy to learn and super useful. That's it for today.